How to change the oil on a Mercedes-Benz. This method will actually apply to pretty much any Mercedes made between 1995 and now, because they all use the same oil, just different oil capacities. So all you need is, well, the clean method that we're going to be doing involves using just the dipstick hole and this topsider. So first step would be drive the car to warm the engine up a little bit, park it, let it sit for a while so the oil can come out of the heads, go back into the pan, and then go back into the pan and cool off a little bit. And then after that, you suck the oil out and pour the new oil in. So enjoy. So first we've got to find the dipstick hole, which is located on this engine, the M276 direct injection V6. It is located right here towards the back. Take that out. It's full right now, I already checked it. And then put your topsider in place. You take your hose, stick it down the dipstick hole, and once again, this works on pretty much any Mercedes model made since 1995. Stick it all the way down, and then until you feel it hit the bottom. And then once you do, you pull it up a little bit so that it's not just sucking against the bottom. And then you begin pumping. One important step is to make sure so that you don't have to work as hard. You remove the oil cap so you can get a little bit of pressure pushing down on the oil, outside pressure pushing down on the oil to make it easier to pull out. It's coming out of the engine. And once you've created a vacuum, you can either keep pumping or just let it pull it out itself. Engine takes 6.5 liters of oil. This holds 8 liters of oil. I already checked it with the dipstick, and the dipstick came up bone dry. So now we're ready to add the oil, add 6.5 liters of oil to the engine. So that was one, and now this is a 1/2 liter. So 3 of these and there. That should put the car capacity. Now let's do the oil filter. I'm not doing that one today because you only have to do that every other time with regular oil changes. You pull that up, oil filter is right there. You screw it off. There's a cartridge inside. Different project. There's a stick that goes down the middle. You put the oil filter in, and you have the rubber seals that you replace. And that's the oil filter.
like. One more should do. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the final step is to reset the oil light. So to do that, you want to hold the OK button and the phone button until while it's on the odometer screen, then it's going to pull up a menu. And my hand is not wide enough, so hold on. Once you're in the menu, you have vehicle data, dynamometer test, or just turn off all the safety features and you can rip some pretty sick burnouts and donuts. But what you're looking for is Assist Plus. Go to Full Service and scroll down until you see Confirm Full Service. Press Yes. Confirm. And to do this, you have to have the key in position 1 with the door closed. You just exit out of this menu. And sometimes it takes a while for it in the regular menu to reset. This one reset instantly. So, and then you take it for a drive and see how it feels. Thanks for watching.